Hey everyone, so in my last video when I introduced y'all to Eva, I'm going to show y'all Wally. This is a Wally 95 Nissan pickup truck. Yes, it's purple, but it's a manly purple, so don't hate. I know all y'all are jealous anyway because y'all don't have a purple truck. Anyway, this is my 95 Nissan Hardbody. This is my pride and joy. Excuse the mess, it's really dirty. It's got spider webs on it. I am working on the transmission. The center shaft bearing went out on it. So I am in the process of rebuilding it. I have it stripped down all the way to the gears, but other than that, I can't go any farther because that's beyond my knowledge. I can drop a transmission, I just don't know a whole lot about manuals. Now, this is the manual. I have it stripped down to the gears. The center shaft bearing is right here where the adapter plate is. And as you can see, it looks kind of complicated, and this is just beyond my knowledge to take all these gears out just to get to their center shaft bearing. So I'm going to take this to a shop and see if they can replace it for me. And then when I get it replaced, then the fun begins. And I will start doing videos. I had to clean my the housing to my transmission because it just looks really pitiful. But anyway, there's I know it looks like it's disorganized, but I actually know what's what goes where. So that's just the way I work. So don't mind the mess. I am still in the process of cleaning my shop. Here's my transfer case. Yeah, this puppy together, transfer case and transmission, it is a lot of weight, and it was insane. Like, I couldn't even drop it myself. I had to get another pair of hands to help me drop it. That's just how insanely heavy it is. But yeah, this is my truck. I got some goals for this truck. When I get it running, I have a turbo. This actually came off my Evo, so I had to change out the turbo manifold back piece to it, take that off to get the right adapter plate to go into the intake manifold of the truck. So those of you who have turboed your Nissan Hardbody 2.4 liter Nissan truck before, let me know where I can get one at. I would be more than happy to find out where to get one. But anyway, first thing I want to do as soon as I get this restored, give it a bath. I mean, it's bad that I can sit here and just, write my name right there in my truck, but it's mine, so I can do that. But yes, this is my baby. And see the rust? I gotta do some stuff to it. This is why I named her Wally, or him, I should say. Wally's a boy. Just a lot of work needs to be done in this truck, so it's insane. The paint's flaking off. I really need to take care of this before it gets worse. But yeah, but when this truck is fixed, I'm gonna start going in the mud, going mud bogging, show y'all what it's like. Those of you who have never been in the mud before, just follow me, tag along with me, and I'll take you there. And it's really, really fun. So it's just one of those things where something that happens in the South, I don't know, maybe up north, y'all just do a lot of snow bogging, playing in the snow. And I mean, I went in the snow one time when it snowed out here really bad in Georgia. And so it was really fun. Just sitting there like your vehicle's whipping one way and your tires are going another way, and then it's insane. It's pretty fun. But yeah, this is my truck. And those of you who see my stickers, yes, I already know. Georgia Bulldogs. I'm a big Georgia Bulldogs fan. The Atlanta Failures, they need to up their game a little bit. Yes, I said the Atlanta Failures because that's just who they are. They always let you down. Anyway, so when it gets time for the transmission, I'll start doing that. I'm hoping I can get it done sooner because I really miss my truck. So, but I can't just slap a turbo in the engine as well. The thing about a turbo, you have to get an intercooler, then you have to get upgraded fuel injectors, and then, you know, this is an old school engine, so it's not like these new ones where, you know, this is a 95, so it's got an OBD1 system in it, so it's a lot into it, but I would be willing to try it out. Actually, there's no try to it. I am going to do it just whenever I get the time and money. And yes, my lawnmower probably has more horsepower than my truck. So, haha. Nah, I'm just kidding. But anyway, yeah, that's pretty much it. So, let me know what y'all think. Oh, also another thing. If anybody knows about air compressors, please let me know. This was left at the house. This is it looks like a John Wood company or something like that. Kellogg, I don't know. But this right here spins, the little turbine, whatever. I don't know a whole lot about air compressors, but the engine does not come on. I don't know what's going on. I'm not good with air compressors, but I really want to get this puppy running so that I can start being faster at automotive work as opposed to doing everything by hand. And those of you know what I'm talking about, doing everything by hand just completely stinks sometimes, especially when you're doing engine work. So yeah, but if anybody is very familiar with air compressors, please leave a comment in the comment line. Let me know what you think it is, and cause I'm stumped just to give it a whirl. Let me find the cord to it. Plug it in here, and that's what happens. It just spins and spins right there, but I can't leave it on too long because it starts smoking, or not smoking, but putting off this smell, like this burning smell. But I'm at a loss. I don't know what else to do with this. So, but yeah, just let me know. Thank you.